And the race is on Queen Cuba. From the outside, Magic Mings rising up is Pernicious. And also rising up is Chica Una. Queen Cuba, Pernicious, Chica Una, Careless Moment, Magic Mings, Quattro Supra, third last Alazim Gaia, second last and Unfolding is the early trailer. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Queen Cuba by some 5 lengths, followed by Pernicious, and racing in third by some 2 lengths is Chica Una, racing in fourth by some 6 lengths, Careless Moment. Down on the inside, Magic Minx, alongside is Quattro Supra, third last Gaia, second last Alazim, and Unfolding is still running at the tail of the field. Last 700, Queen Cuba by some 3 lengths. Pernicious, Chica Una is racing from the outside. Rounding the far turn, Queen Cuba by some 2 lengths. Chica Una is now running in second. Pernicious is running in third, running for Magic Means, Quattro Supra Gaia, and Alazim. As they race the final corner, Queen Cuba is still leading the pack by a length and a half. Chica Una down on the inside. Magic Means racing from the outside third. Pernicious Gaia, Careless Moment. And nearing the finish line, Queen Cuba, Chica Una, Magic Means on the outside. It's still Queen Cuba, Magic Means down on the inside. And finally it's going to be a close. Magic Means, Queen Cuba. Gaia, Chica Una, Quattro Supra.